time is it? Could you tell me the time? It's 5 p.m. Can I sit here? Is this seat taken? Yes, you can sit here. How long have you been living here? For how many years have you lived here? I have been living here for 5 years. Where do you work? At which company do you work? I work as a freelancer. What's the weather like today? How is the weather today? It's rainy and cold. Where do you live? Can you tell me where you stay? I live in Berlin. Can you cook? Are you good at cooking? No, I'm not very skilled in the kitchen. How did you find this place? What brought you here? I found it through a recommendation. What do you have for breakfast? What do you eat in the morning? I usually have boiled eggs and coffee. Do you exercise in the morning? Do you work out before starting your day? Yes, I do yoga for 20 minutes. Do you use social media every day? How often do you check social media? I check social media a few times a day. How long does it take you to get dressed? How much time do you spend picking out clothes? It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. How do you relax in the evening? What do you do to unwind after a long day? I watch a movie or read books. What time do you wake up? When do you usually get up? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. What is your favorite food? Which food do you like the most? My favorite food is pasta. Do you use your phone a lot during the day? How often do you check your phone? I use it mostly to check messages and emails. Do you meet friends during the week? How often do you go out with friends? I usually meet friends on the weekends. Do you read the news in the morning? Do you catch up on current events? Yes, I read the news on my phone. Do you meditate in the morning? Do you practice mindfulness when you wake up? Yes, I meditate for 15 minutes. Do you play any sports? Do you participate in any physical activities? Yes, I play football on weekends. What is your name? Can you tell me your name? My name is Alina. Where are you from? Which place are you from? I'm from Spain. How are you? How are you doing? I'm good. How about you? What do you do? What's your job? I'm a student. Are you busy tomorrow? Do you have anything going on tomorrow? No, I'm free tomorrow. How was work today? Did you have a good day at work? It was good, but a bit busy. Do you like traveling? Are you a fan of travel? Yes, I love visiting new places. Did you sleep well? How did you sleep last night? Yes, I slept very well. Did you go anywhere last vacation? Where did you spend your last holiday? Yes, I went to the beach. How do you stay productive throughout the day? Do you have any tips for staying focused? I take short breaks and avoid distractions like my phone. Do you practice any new skill regularly? How do you make time for learning in your routine? I practice speaking English for 15 minutes every day to improve. Do you avoid screens before sleeping? Do you try to limit screen time at night? Yes, I try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed to help me sleep better. Do you prefer luxury or budget travel? Do you plan your trips? I prefer budget travel. Yes, I like to plan my trips. Do you like flying? Are you comfortable with air travel? Yes, I like flying. It's usually quick and easy.